Trees hold all sorts of knowledge, healing, and vibration. There are different ways to connect your energy with the tree life. If you want to power up and receive more energy, find a tree that is completely straight, like a pine, and put your back to it. Align your chakras to the tree's energy field, and you'll feel a boost of energy, much like a Red Bull or a Monster drink. But if you want a heart healing or wisdom, then find an oak tree, a tree that is older, more mature, and reach out to hug it. Put the front side, your heart center, to the tree's trunk, align your chakras to the energy, and you'll feel an emotional release, and you'll feel wisdom coming to you. Okay, Lumineers, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video on how to connect to trees, receiving their downloads, their upgrades, their healings, and the wildlife that came to meet us as we were doing the videos. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye! Hey, remember, it's not woo-woo, it's true-true.